what? A bumper? How did that got here?
That's a nice wood.
Yeah, that would light nicely actually. Let's get that, yeah. 2x4. Actually, yeah. So guys, we're out here trying to... Gotta be a big fire, bud. It's not big, go home. Go big or go home, right? We don't have enough though. Things that work. Fish from my local supermarket. Came out here to prepare these for you guys and show you guys how it's done. Another side of Mikey boy. You didn't know how to cook, huh? Stay tuned, guys. Hold my beer, guys. I got this. Out here in this woods.
What are you doing over here, man?
I'm just trying to
here on the fire, bro. What is that? Is that oil?
Yeah, but
damn, is that legal?
Nice cast iron, bro.
Damn, bro. So what are you gonna be cooking today?
Fish, guys.
What are you gonna be cooking today?
It's not salmon. It's not bass.
Damn. What's the process?
It's that red snapper, guys.
Look at that color, bro.
Beautiful fish. It's my favorite kind of fish, guys.
Jeez, bro. Okay, so what are you gonna be doing today, bro? Tell us about it, bro.
So what should we fry first, man? Should it be the fish head or a tail? Huh? What do you want? So we'll do the head first.
All right.
Go far, put it in it. Okay, let me put it in it. Thanks, bud.
Hey, Mikey boy.
What's going on, guys?
All right,
out here.
man. So we're gonna add
being fried. So what you gotta do? You gotta wait for about. Well, what I do is I give it about, say, 6 minutes on each side. So let it fry for 6 minutes on one side, and then flip for other 6 minutes. Okay? So I got my timer on. Stay on.
gonna lose its own formation. That's what I don't like.
There we go. Yeah, now yeah.
Nice. Man, people don't understand this camera. It's all about angles, man. Yeah. Who told you that? Huh?
The videos you sent me, bro. All the videos you sent me to watch to become a YouTube star. Chances, I don't want to. You should get the camera, bro. We should be putting this
Some of us are
close up.
Street burnt fish, man. It's amazing. It's amazing.
It's actually pretty good.
The taste is amazing. Well cooked. 5 to 6 minutes inside. It's such a great eating.
That's it, bud.
You gotta start off with the head because the good part is the tail.
That's it. Yeah, for you?
Yeah.
And the good part for me is the head.
That's good. We're different.
Oh.
Stay tuned. Next time we're trying lamb or rabbit. You never
Who
know.
knows?
What's going on, guys? This is how you do it. You wake up in the morning, you go fishing, you catch your fish, and you eat your fish. That's how it goes. This fish was caught by me, and I feel so great having to eat the fish that I caught.
That's it.
Alright.
Hard work.
The whole thing that you wanted to record this because of...
But it's in it already.
Catch this fish.
Damn, bro.